Hi everyone, it's July 1st, 2017, and this is the day of the celebrations 20th anniversary of the handover in Hong Kong back to China. Anyway, I've been looking into magnetrons. Magnetrons as a possible source for making crop circles. And I came across this. So some people, they are scientists or amateur scientists or whatever, they play around with magnetrons and microwaves from the standard oven that you have in your house. And after reading this article here, should be very careful about having a microwave because they can turn on by themselves and they can't be shut off. Anyway, you have to read this for yourself. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but it's here on this yarchive.net. And see this picture right here? Okay, we're going to go down here where it's explained. Okay, he says, that's me holding a neon-filled globe near the antenna of a 600-watt magnetron. The camera doesn't do the brightness of that globe justice, so it must be much brighter than that. I've been wanting to build a sulfur lamp. Okay, sulfur. You know, isn't that what David Keith wants to put in the skies? Sulfur. This lamp uses a microwave oven magnetron to drive a small quartz globe filled with argon and elemental sulfur. It's one of the brightest and most efficient light sources going. So you know how the skies glow sometimes and they're like bright, bright white? Well, it makes sense. If there's sulfur in the sky, in the clouds, or up high, mixed in with the atmosphere, and then they're aiming microwaves at it, and the sky looks like it's glowing, and there's lights behind it, maybe it's this, or some related method. Okay, so he says, it is, okay, I just need to source a quartz globe of the proper diameter. I can fill and evacuate it here. A bare magnetron makes an excellent hand warmer. That's what I use. That's what I use the one in the photo for, after mounting it in a box with a fan. Just hold your hands out at arm's length, about 6 to 8 inches away. The bare radiator is eye safe at arm's length. Yeah, I have a microwave survey meter and have measured, but one would need to be careful if any sort of reflector or other waveguide were in the vicinity. Oh, this is how scientists blow themselves up, right? Just like Jack Parsons. I have another little gadget that I've been playing with off and on for a while. 4 magnetrons speeding a large feed horn. A very effective tool to shut down loud stereos. Now this is really interesting. So if your neighbor has a loud stereo, this means that a person could aim these magnetrons at a stereo and shut it down. So check this out. A microwave oven is a delightful electronic warfare tool. Well, I know people who claim that they're having microwaves beamed at them by neighbors, etc. So maybe it's true, because look, this is, okay, this is 2007, and this started in 2000, okay, here's 2004, 2003, and 2002. Okay, people are playing with microwaves and thinking it's a delightful electronic warfare tool. So be careful, everyone, and think about this, people who are scientific minded, and what this could mean about the glowing clouds in the sky, even the glowing object in the sky that is so white it's beyond what the sun even looks like normally. And they have giant microwave generators. And then about the crop circles, magnetrons, the design of the magnetron even looks like CERN. How CERN looks. Okay, let's check it out right now. Okay, I'll just go to magnetrons. Magnetrons. And when you think about, okay, we'll go to, images of magnetrons. Okay, there's a circle. So I was thinking how magnetrons could be focused, and they have a template, like a design template, because they do something where they can focus the energy so it goes in a circle and spins, and it can go in opposite directions, and they could have some giant magnetrons, and one of the latest crop circles in Switzerland looks like a fidget spinner, which looks like, okay, let's see. Okay, see, look at these. I don't know. How big can these get? And invisible planes, they fly in the sky, and they can reflect clouds on the bottom of the plane so that they blend in with the clouds. See, look at this. So I don't know. It's really something to think about. So this isn't a good example here because this is on Bing. And actually, Google is better, has better pictures. Google is a bigger brain. Okay, magnetrons. Magnetron operation hyperphysics concepts. Electricity and magnetism. Okay, there just seems to be something about microwaves, magnetrons, that could be related to radar basics. Okay, radar, it just seems like they could come up with a template and use some kind of magnetron microwave energy to spin things around. And okay, this looks like the same thing as the Bing photos, but there I was looking at something a while ago, and it really did look like us inside of CERN, something like this. Same similar concept, the design. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and hope some of you geniuses out there can solve some of our mysteries. Okay, God bless everyone. Adios for now. Catch you later.